This is Anna, and Anna is a marketing manager who oversees a team of 4. She uses her strong interpersonal skills to ensure that her team members are happy, healthy, and productive. But she's experiencing a paradigm shift as all of her meetings have suddenly moved online. Without being able to connect with her team, Anna now needs extra help to understand the engagement and well-being of her employees. To overcome this obstacle, Anna uses Allting. She starts her virtual meeting as usual with the video conferencing tool of her choice. When the call begins, Allting is seamlessly integrated into the meeting. When the call concludes, she and her employees respond to Allting's feedback questions, which are informed by research and are designed to help Anna keep a pulse on her team's health. Participants in Anna's meeting have a chance to voice their opinion on whether they felt included, engaged, and productive during the conference. Allting then uses AI and statistics to help Anna make sense of all of this information. When Anna opens Allting, she is greeted with an overview page, which provides a summary, the keywords, and duration of her conference. She can also explore the speaker distribution, overall sentiment, and ratio of male to female speech time. Being a good manager, Anna loves to keep track of how her team is changing. Allting allows her to easily do this by helping her track whether participants are becoming more or less comfortable speaking up. Anna can then drill down into any question she's curious about. Here, Allting provides her with insights about what went well and what went not so well, empowering Anna and her team to continuously improve. Zooming out, Allting also gives Anna an idea of her team's performance compared to those in the organization. She can get insights into gender equality, meeting relevancy, and voice sentiment. And she can contrast how well her team is doing in these areas against the company average.